Hey guys, it's Roxanne West from Bonjour Bliss blog, and today we are revealing the backyard of our exterior flip with Home Depot Canada. Unfortunately, Craig couldn't be here for the last episode because he does have a daytime job, his full-time job, but he is here in spirit, and you guys will see his spirit in everything in this reveal. Okay guys, I don't know if you remember what the house looked like before, but it was salmon-colored brick, we had red siding, very, very different than it looks now, and I'm still in shock of the transformation. Every time I look at the house, I'm like, it's a brand new house. I still can't believe we did this ourselves. If you want to flip the exterior of your home, you really can do it with the help of Home Depot Canada. They have things at a great budget, and by working with some of the materials that we chose, for example, Dekton for the exterior stone, Napoleon appliances for the outdoor barbecue, Behr exterior paint, Veranda composite, you're picking these items that are very low maintenance and that will last a very long time, whether you're staying in this home that you're working on or you plan on selling it. These are great features. Luckily, we've had some great help from friends and family, and we've worked with some great trades as well. One of them being Latitude Countertops from here in Ontario. They actually fabricated and installed our Dekton stone that you're seeing on the exterior kitchen. Yes, guys, we did the exterior kitchen. I don't know how I convinced Craig to do this, but we did it. Dekton is releasing 3 brand new colors at the end of October 2018. We chose Laos by Dekton. It's a beautiful black with a great veining in it. It almost looks like a dark marble to me. It was perfect to really pull from the darker accents that we've been putting on the exterior of the house. And to top it off, we added a DIY shiplap on the exterior kitchen. Now, the paint color that we wanted to use, we really wanted to match the Behr carbon that we used for the shutters, the doors, and a lot of the other accents on the exterior of the home. So we decided to use that for the shiplap too. You can really transform a space, whether it's interior or exterior, with a fresh coat of paint, guys. The Behr paint colors that we chose, the white and the black, completely transform the outside of this house. You can even see it from the road now. It's not Santa's house anymore, it's our house.
We are painting the shiplap for the outdoor kitchen and these built-in shelves Craig built that are going to go under the stone. The stone was installed yesterday. How come every time you're working outside it snows?
Slocky.
Well, you did get me.
Zing. If you're wondering why I'm always wearing this, it's because it's really warm.
Look at this. We just have to get a fridge tomorrow.
As you can see, we decided to go with some built-in appliances by Napoleon. We picked in a beautiful built-in grill and a side burner to go with it. Also got some great double door cabinets, which is great for some storage. So this way you could cook a couple of chickens on the rotisserie while also boiling something to your right. We also set everything up to have a roller garbage and recycling unit behind that shiplap on the far right-hand side, but we haven't cut it out yet. Here it is as is, and in May, spring 2019, we plan to do another full shoot with the exterior of the home, front and back. Last minute, Craig picked up a beautiful glass front wine fridge to put into that exterior kitchen, so it looks great. We're entertaining actually for the kid's birthday this weekend, so we're excited that we can actually use the outdoor space unless it snows.
I don't know if this is gonna go all the way in. It fits.
The deck back here took a lot longer due to the weather, but we finally finished it. As you can see, we picked that beautiful walnut composite by Veranda from Home Depot Canada, and we have a nice big deck for us to enjoy with the kids or family and friends when we have a couple of gatherings. I also love that pop of brown against the white and black house. It just adds a really nice contrast, I think, to the design of the exterior of the home, especially because we're surrounded by beautiful acreage of mature woods here. You always have those pops of colors in the trees from green, orange, yellow, red. Last minute, we decided to put a little bit of money in the outdoor landscaping in the backyard. We really weren't going to, but we did go for it, as you can see. I don't know if you remember, but we had a lot of lavender plants that were dying from the previous summer, so we moved them around. We added in some boxwoods, and really, guys, freshening things up is as easy as adding a brand new mulch. So we picked a black, really sharp mulch to pull from the accents on the exterior of the home, and I think it made a huge difference. Okay guys, if you're really looking to save some money on outdoor furniture, I totally suggest asking your friends and family to borrow some. Just kidding, but that is actually what we did for this reveal. We couldn't get the outdoor furniture we wanted shipped in time, so I literally drove around the corner to my parents' house and I borrowed a bunch of their outdoor furniture, which actually works great. And since it's been snowing here in Ontario and we probably won't get a lot of outdoor time, I'm not giving it back till next year. Sorry, Dad.
It's because
because I'm sure.
I don't want to take it off yet. I just want to get it close to the edge.
Yeah! Why are you using your back? Use your legs.
I always use my back. I'm the worst.
Styling the space for this reveal, because it is very cold weather, it was as easy as picking up some mums from a local nursery. So we added a bunch of different colors and styled the space just to really liven it up. I really hope you guys enjoyed following along in the exterior flip of our home with Home Depot Canada. It's been such a stressful yet exciting and fun adventure for Craig and I with our friends and family. The kids have really loved it. They love their new house, as they call it. We can't wait to share more with you guys next spring when everything is lush and green again, and we're going to show you how we enjoy this outdoor space as a family with friends. And we're also going to show you how we're going to enjoy that outdoor swing. I am so excited about that. I'm just holding on for some warmer weather. We have plenty episodes to come where we're going to show you guys how we transformed the interior of this house. We've done some crazy stuff in there. It's completely different than it was originally. We have so much more to show you guys about this home.